So this is usually a hit or a miss. And the thing is that WhatsApp always creates backups. For me, it's by 2 a.m. every day. I haven't connected it to my Google Drive, so it only saves the backups on my phone, not on my Google Drive. That's to the cloud. So if you wish to restore deleted messages on WhatsApp, well, thing is that you have to go through the list of backups you have. So to get the backups on your phone, you go to your internal storage and you go to Android, and then media, and then this folder here, and then WhatsApp, and finally databases. From here, you're going to see a list of all the backups that have been created by WhatsApp. Now this one is the backup with the most recent messages I have. So if you're trying to restore a specific message, well, the first thing is you have to try to remember the date of the message, like the range, so that you can get it from here. So for me, I have messages from April, and the oldest one is from the 12th of April. So if this is where the message you're trying to restore is, then you just have to rename it to look like this. So first you change the name of this one and maybe call it one message. Like I said, if I was trying to get messages from the 12th of April, then I'll rename this one. All I have to do is just delete the date, and then I'll add a dot so it looks like this one without the 1, and then I'll just click OK. So there's another step you have to take after doing this, and I have already covered that in this video here, so I'll suggest you watch it. This will help you get the messages from the date range you have selected, and yeah, hopefully you find the message that you're trying to restore.